everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are having a kids gardening class where I'll be teaching the kids the importance of gardening, the things that you can grow out of the gardening, and as you can hear them out behind me there, you can hear their little voices. They're going to be learning about just the joy and the fun of planting things in their garden and in their little planter pots. They can take them home today and they'll be able to learn about it today. So I'm super excited to take you guys along with me, and this is gonna be a really, really fun day. And I hope that this will inspire your parents out there to wanna grow in the garden with your kids, and some things that you can do to encourage them to eat healthy, as well as get them an understanding of where their food comes from. Thank you guys, just keep on watching. We're gonna take a break to wash our hands, and then we're gonna head over to where we can pick carrots and tomatoes. Carrots and tomatoes. Yeah. Just stand around here, guys. Just around here.
Around here?
Yeah, around there. We've got some carrots in here. Adriana, I'm going to have you help me, my dear. Here's a knife. The cutting board is right on that garbage container behind you. So, let's take a look and see what we've got here, guys. We've got some kale.
Broccoli.
We've got broccoli. We've got cauliflower. And we have some carrots. Let's pick a carrot. Let's pick a carrot.
Can I do it?
You can do it. Okay, let's try this one.
Can I take it out?
Yeah, hold on. Let me see if it's a good size.
How come it's blue, the leaf?
That's how this carrot is.
I don't think we have to deal with any more dirt.
Let me check this one. All right, this one looks like it's a good size.
Can I pull it out?
I'm going to need to...
Is this kale?
Huh?
Is this kale?
Yeah, that's another variety of a kale. Okay, Christian, I'm just digging it out so I can have you pull it out, okay? I managed to get the branch off here. Yeah, it's buried deep in there, that's why. It's pretty big around. It might be a little weird shape though. Alright, so here's a tip part of the carrot, but the rest of the carrot's still in the ground. So I'm gonna have Christian come and help me pull it out. But let me first try to see if I... Christian, I think I accidentally... Alright, Christian, go ahead. I'll have you pull that out. Can you get it? Is there a bottom? Okay, that looks like it. Guys, it's just a weird looking carrot. Let me see it, Christian. It's twirled around because, do you know why?
It looks like shrimp.
Because there's a little worm in there too. I can see it. Can you guys see that little worm? It's wiggling right here.
Can we get it? Can I hold it? Can I hold it? Can I hold it? I see it. Can I hold it?
Can you move it? Don't hurt it though. Can you show people on the camera what the worm looks like?
I see it. It's
You
right
see
there.
it?
I see it.
You see it wiggling?
Can I hold it?
All right, we're gonna get some worms later, guys. So I was saying, guys, that the reason why, can I have it back so we can stick it back in there?
It's at the bottom of the...
That's okay. So the reason why the carrot swirls around like that is because the dirt is not deep enough,
And it's in the ground.
and when it hits the hard rocky soil, because it's so compact and hard, the roots are like, well, I can't go because it's too hard. So then it starts to just stay in a nice soft soil area. So let's do one more. Let's do one more.
I can pull it out again.
No, we'll try somebody else. Let's see someone else to try.
We got tomatoes that fell.
That's okay. We're
Can I
gonna.
do it?
Okay,
How about try
hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's find a carrot first. You guys can pick a number between 1 to 10.
I'm 10.
This is a weed. Let's get rid of the weed.
I'm picking 9. I'll do 9.
Okay.
8.
Okay.
7. 6.
Okay. Who? All right. Oh, oopsie daisy. Look at that, guys. I accidentally pulled out a baby one. Guess what? We're just gonna stick them back in the other hole and cover them back up. All right.
Any other carrots ready?
Let me look. I'm checking. Oh, this one looks ready. All right.
I want to pull that one out.
Okay. What number?
I mean, 1. Cha-Cha, say which one.
3 is the number. 3 is the number. All right, come on.
Come on.
Come on. Don't worry, guys. We'll have carrot. We have tomatoes. Here's right here. Pull that out. Pull that out.
The tomatoes are ready.
Tomatoes are ready. Okay.
How
All
come
right.
the carrots are so small? That one looks like
It's because it's not ready yet. I mean, I can at the top it feels like it's ready, but the only way here's a big one. All right, another number. All right, come over here. These two look like. All right, here. Come grab it out. Come pull it out.
Me? Oh.
Yeah, number 7. Number 7.
Is it still in there?
Looks like there's more pieces in there, huh?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Oh,
It's a big one. Let's just dig it out a little bit more.
That's the first big one I've seen. I seen a way bigger one on. That's a lot.
It's deep down in there. Oh, look at the bottom of that one. Yay, good job. All right, let me see the carrot.
It was like this.
It was like that. All right, perfect. Let's give it a taste. Let's wash them all.
Why do you don't like carrots? You don't want to have good eyesight?
All right, guys. Carrots are really good for your eyes.
I love carrots.
I like carrots.
I like my soup.
All righty.
So you never hear their words.
All right, guys. How they taste, Adriana? Good. All right, guys. Grab a carrot. Grab a piece of carrot.
This one?
Not the big one, just the small one. Miss Adriana's gonna cut up the rest so we can have the adults try it. Sweet, huh?
I love them.
They're good? All right. You cut up the rest and you can take them to the adults so they can try it. All right, guys. We're going to head over to the tomatoes, okay? So the tomato tree's right there. We're going to head over there. We're going to have the kids pick a couple tomatoes and try them. Really fresh. Fresh carrots. Much sweeter. Less kind of like, yeah, very crunchy. Very sweet. Very sweet.
Teddy bear.
Okay. Some kids over on that side. Some kids on this side. All right, ladies. Try some of the carrots. These are freshly from the ground.
This one? This one right here?
Very, very, very good.
This one good?
That one is
Look over here.
maybe a little bit redder.
So leave it.
I mean, you can have it. You can have it. I don't know if it's going to be as sweet as these, though.
This one? Here.
But you can pick it. Azariah, you can pick it.
Ezra.
Sorry, Ezra, you can pick it.
Right here? Is Raya. Cha-Cha, pick one.
Okay.
Pick anyone that's reddish.
These tomatoes are sweet, guys. Adriana, did you try them?
No, not yet.
Can I eat it?
Yes.
I don't want to try. Is this one really red?
Yes, that's perfect. Eat it. It's not as sweet, though, as the red ones.
The red one. Where are the
Okay.
red
I found a baby red. It fell.
I don't like tomatoes. I found a baby tomato.
Good job, guys. Okay, now I need you guys to look for the red ones, pick them, and put them in the basket. Okay, you can try 3 tomatoes, but then start putting them in the basket.
Wow, some of these are actually pretty good.
Okay, you guys pick 3 tomatoes, eat them, and then put them in the basket.
I had 3. Like a grape.
I just picked them. It just burst, literally.
This one's getting pretty big, but he's green.
It'll ripen. Okay, guys, start picking tomatoes and put them in the basket, please. Pick it. That looks delicious, mijo.
Is it red?
Yeah, if
Mm.
pick it.
What about this?
Guys, they're super sweet.
Like tomatoes?
Even the little ones are really delicious. Pick 3 tomatoes to eat, and then the rest start putting the ripe ones in the basket.
Can I pick baby reds?
What about this one?
Yeah, you can put it in the basket.
The baby reds?
One's cracking.
Okay, eat the ones that's cracking.
This one good?
Come here.
You can, they're ripe. Okay, I'll take them. You want to save it? Okay.
My tomato fell.
Okay, try to grab it. Here it is. Here it is.
It's a baby one.
Those are grape ones?
Yeah, those are the grape tomatoes.
Put it in the basket.
Yeah. You don't have to eat them. Just
I like it.
Who's picked 10 tomatoes?
Me.
Okay, no more picking.
These are all 10 of them, but I don't know what I do with this one.
You can either eat it or throw it in the basket.
I want to keep the baby.
They look really good and ripe. Throw them in the basket. See how they're growing like literally on the ground?
Yes.
I can see. Oh, lift up this branch there, Gianna. If you lift it up, look.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot growing in here.
All right, guys, take a look. This is a good amount of tomatoes that the kids picked from the tree, and Adriana is picking some more. Like Adriana, if you wanna Stick them in. We're gonna pick some sugar cane right now, and then we're gonna try that next. All right, guys. So now we are gonna be cutting some sugar cane and have the kids try sugar cane to see what it tastes like. Guys, let's pick one of these. Careful, because the bees, yeah, the bees love this. So there's a lot of bees.
I know.
So be careful.
A little bit ago.
Yeah, there's one right there.
They'll get killed.
Right there. There's one right there because they love the sugar. Let's pick the tallest one. I'm gonna have you grab this one, okay? Okay, pull it out that way. Eat it or put it in the basket.
Instead of it being this big.
All right, guys. Okay.
It's so sticky when I do it.
It looks like bamboo, but it's not. It's actually sugar cane, okay? When you pull the bark back, it has this little white stuff. Can you guys guess what this white stuff is?
Sugar.
Definitely sugar. The bees love to eat this stuff. You can even see some of the sugar running down the side. You ever had brown sugar? Well, this is where it comes from, sugar cane.
Does the oatmeal have
Okay, hold on, guys. There's a bee on here. He's trying to eat the sugarness from the sugar cane, so I'm just going to let him do his thing. We're going to take off the extra.
Maple syrup.
Well, maple syrup is a little different than sugar cane, guys. Maple syrup is come from the maple tree versus sugar cane. Sugar comes from sugar cane. Look, do you see all that? If you were to touch it, it's really sticky. Anybody want to touch it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. It's really, really sticky, okay?
No?
So we're going to wash this off. All right, we're going to just wash off just that little piece for now. And then we're going to cut it. All right. Hold on. No.
My hands are sticky.
Yes.
Can I wash my hands again?
Yes.
Somebody put this in the pocket. Hold the phone for now.
Okay. Can you hold that right there? Okay.
I need to wash my hands. Shut it off.
No, hold on.
Sugar cane.
Okay. We'll save this one for later. Okay, we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it and we're going to try it, okay? Mel's, you don't have to try it, but it's pretty delicious. Can you grab me the knife on that cutting board?
Can I cut it?
No, I'll be cutting it because it's a little hard to cut.
You just suck the juice, right?
Yeah, you don't have to eat it, Mama. Okay, excuse us. If you would like to try the sugar cane, come and try the sugar cane, guys. You chew on it and it becomes really juicy. You will. Everyone who wants to try can try it.
I never tried it. Is it the white part?
Yeah.
So you just bite on it.
You just chew on it. Chew on it like you chew on carrots. And then you spit it out. It cleans your teeth too. You'll find that your it cleans your teeth. So if your teeth dirty, if you take your tongue and feel around in your mouth, does your teeth feel dirty?
No.
Okay. Well,
Right now it does.
Okay, but if you were to eat the sugar cane, I guarantee you it's gonna make your teeth feel nice and clean. All right, here we go. Here's one piece.
So you suck on it, then spit it out.
Yeah, you're gonna chew it. It's not sticky. Just put it in your mouth and chew it. You can buy a little piece. Everybody's gonna try a little piece. Don't eat that one. That one's hard. That one's a little harder because it's the joint. No, you.
Oh, you cut a whole stem off of these kids.
Yeah, that's okay. Mijo, you want to try one?
I can't fit this fully in my mouth.
You chew it like you're like you do. It's just you just chew it, Mijo.
I can't fit it fully in my mouth.
Mijo, like bite it and then chew it. Like chew it off. What do you guys think? Sweet, huh?
You mentioned the brown sugar comes from this.
Mm-hmm.
So when the sugar gets squeezed out, and then is that when
You boil it. You boil it, and it becomes like almost like molasses. Pretty good, huh? Just throw it in the.
The mother, she makes this, and they have these, and it's like soaked, and it's like a fruit, so good. Furry makes it.
It was so good.
It was good. You like it? You think you would try it again?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Can we have more?
You want more? Okay.
Have a stick, like a section.
A whole section?
Yeah. Me too.
Well, let's just share, okay?
That's
What
how
about
good
that?
it is.
Yeah, let me cut it out smaller for you. You gotta chew it though. You gotta chew. Did you want more? You don't swallow it, but you're supposed to chew on it and suck the juice out using your tongue. Give it to your mom and dad.
Okay, which ones do I take?
Doesn't matter. You give whatever one you want to give to them.
Can I get one to my grandma, Kimmy?
Yes. Yeah, I'm trying to cut back on my sugar too. If you're done, just throw it over there, okay? You don't have to eat it. Are you a fan? Or not a fan? You're a fan?
I'm a fan.
Of what?
Sugar cane?
I'm a fan, but I don't want no more. I had too much.
Have another one?
Too sweet.
Yes, you can.
It's not even sweet, man. It's too sweet. I think it's my taste buds.
It's because I had a lot.
I can eat like 100. What? Thinking that you like you.
All right, guys, we're going to finish our class here in a minute. Let me just finish this last piece of sugar cane and then head back to the table. So, your name and then tell me what did you learn about the class today in gardening?
My name is Joseph, and I cut holes in the bottle and put water in there.
Okay, that's something new you learned. Very good. What about you, Ethan? Carrots are healthy. Good job.
I learned that
Wait.
the bush peas, the bush sweet peas. My name's Melanie, and I learned that the bush peas need a lot of water.
Need a lot of water. Good job.
I learned about the radish and how the potatoes are really sweet and stuff.
Okay, good job. Good job. And your name?
Zelina.
Selena. Good job.
My name's Kaylee, and I learned that plants don't need water. Well, only water. You have to have vitamins.
Good job.
My name's Christian, and I didn't know tomatoes could be different colors.
Good job. Thank you for sharing.
My name's Ezra, and I didn't know. I learned that sweet peas need to be have to have support.
Okay, good job. Arturo joined our class. Yay. Come on, tell us.
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Thank you, Arturo. All right, guys. So before we go, move your baskets, move your planters to the front of the table so we can see them. That you're going to take it with you. So you're going to wait until your plant's dirt goes down before you apply the soil, okay? And then the last thing that you guys are going to take home with you. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Very important, guys. Your garden art. You ever go through the garden and you see it in the garden centers? All the different things that you can stick in your garden. Well, I made you guys some garden art, okay? I've got some butterflies here. Some
flowers.
Dragonflies. I have a little puppies. So pick one. We got some flowers, and you're going to stick it in your garden bed, okay? Okay, these are all the garden art that you guys can have. Let's put them in first. And then afterwards, we'll put your baskets in the front so everyone can see them. Inside your garden. You're going to put them in your garden. Anywhere you want to put them. You can put your puppies in there. You can put, make sure you stick them in the dirt though. You don't want them flying away.
My dog's blind.
Okay, I forgot to put the eyes on those, but that's okay, guys. They're super cute. You certainly can. You can put an eye anywhere you want. Stick them in the dirt though, guys. You got to stick them in the dirt all the way in so they don't fly away.
I got mine.
Okay.
Can I use one?
Wait until everybody's got one first.
Never mind. It's red.
I want to say thank you guys all for coming today and participating and learning a little bit more about the garden and also getting to try some of the wonderful veggies. I really appreciate it.
Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you next time.